Hi guys, welcome back. The last video that I posted, I showed how I made this parting tool out of small piles, and I give a quick demonstration of how it would cut on this particular piece of board. And I was under the impression that I'd be too high that way and I'd have to make some alterations to this tool post that I made, possibly cutting an inch out of it so it wouldn't sit as high when it's cutting. Now this morning I've been watching some videos on YouTube, gentlemen far more experienced than I am at wood turning, and realised that all I really needed to do is, instead of having the tool that way up, is to spin it round. And I think what I've learned from watching videos is you start off slightly high so it rests on the tool post and then lift it slowly so it starts to bite, and then eventually as you go in, the cutting tip wants to be level with the centre of the piece of work. So I don't think there's any need to. I was just about to take this out and put it in the lathe and chop an inch off and bring it down. I'm glad I watched the videos now, because as I say, instead of having it that way originally, I don't know why I thought it should be that way originally. Maybe because I'm used to working with metal more than wood, and just presumed that would be the cutting edge. But it's simply a matter of turning it upside down, starting high, and then gradually bringing the rear of the handle up, so by the time you get to the centre of the work, it's level with it. So I think I'm going to try that now. I started looking around the shop for some material I could possibly make a new tool rest out of, machining this piece down and putting a new bar across, horizontal bar across. But watching those videos, I don't think I've got any need to do that. Now while I'm doing this, I'm going to show you 3 ways that I'm going to use for parting off. The first one is going to be using this new tool that I made. The last video I only just started to dig into the work because as I say, it was too high. So I'm going to try that one this way around and see how that works, and then I'm going to show you 2 other ways. Well, that's a nice clean cut on that. So that's working excellently, turning the chisel over. Yeah, so I don't think there's any need to alter this or even make a new one. I think that works fine. Right, that's one way. Well, this is the second option, guys. This parting tool holder was with the lathe when I first bought it. It came with the capstan setup that was designed for production work. Now this will be the first time I've ever used this. It works on a lever mechanism to bring the blade in and out, and it takes the smallest parting tool, the blade type that I've got. I think this is a Jones and Shipman. I think Armstrong is another mate that they use. And at the back here, I don't know if you can make that out, there's two screws that are adjustable to act as a stop. So if you're doing multiple parting operations, that automatic stop makes every cut identical. So let's give this one a try. Well, that one works extremely well as well. If anything, it's slightly more controllable than doing it by hand. The cut is extremely clean. So that's 2 down, 1 to go. Well, this final way, guys, I'm not too optimistic about, but I'm willing to give it a try. Yeah, simply not enough rigidity in the tool.